Encountered a QPCK file in software application directories? These are resource packages used by Qt-based applications for storing bundled assets. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Qt resource package files. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your QPCK file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. QPCK files are resource package files used by applications built with the Qt cross-platform framework. They contain bundled application resources, including images, translations, icons, configuration data, and other assets compressed and packaged for efficient distribution and runtime access by the Qt-based application. QPCK files use Qt's resource packaging format, storing multiple resource entries with relative paths, metadata, and compressed content data. The structure includes header information, identifying the Qt version package format, compression method, and indexed resource entries, enabling efficient lookup and extraction during application runtime. The official utility recommended for the QPCK file is Qt Framework Tools by the Qt Company. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows can recognize common archive types, but viewing their contents requires the right utility. The quickest way to solve the failure is to test all compatible openers. Right-click the QPCK file and hit Open With. Use Qt Framework Tools if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If your QPCK file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your QPCK file from opening correctly. First, letting the application handle it. QPCK files are designed for automatic handling by their parent Qt application and don't require manual access for normal operation. The application reads resources from QPCK files transparently during execution. Avoid modifying these files, which can break application functionality if the package structure becomes corrupted. Next, extracting contents. Use Qt's RCC resource compiler tools or third-party utilities to extract QPK contents for inspection. The Q resource format may also be accessible through specific Qt-based extraction tools that can list and extract embedded resources for analysis or asset recovery purposes. Finally, examining with Hex Editor. Open QPCK files in HXD Hex Editor to inspect raw binary contents, looking for embedded file signatures or readable strings. This analysis can identify the package structure, embedded resource types, and Qt version information without requiring specialized Qt development tools for basic file inspection. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.